100% polyester. Imported. Ultra soft kids accent pillow for bedroom decor, nap time, travel, car rides, and imaginative play. Mix and match with a variety of bedding, bath, storage and decor products from the Amazon Basics Kids collection for easy decorating. Made in an OEKO-TEX Made in Green factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Spot clean only, no bleaching. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommended. Soft fabric and soft and fluffy. Fire out the bottom is a big hit for my son. Great for my toddler's space-themed room. Thought it would just be a decorative pillow, but it has become his snuggle hugger pillow. He loved the flames coming out the bottom so much, he immediately started pretending like he was being burned by putting his fingers in the fire. He definitely uses it to pretend it really a rocket going into space. Which I never thought about but think is a really cool addition to this pillow's functions. So we made little astronauts and put the hard velcro on them and they stick to the rocket perfectly. I printed out astronauts to color and took them to Staples to have them laminated. I was a teacher that now stays at home with my son, so I actively look for crafts. High quality, great size, so cute. Highly recommended.